Hi guys, today we do dumpster diving. Here I find all the Linux magazine, Nintendo DS with Game Boys and Nintendo DS SD card to USB adapter, games, random PS2 knockoff cable, mouse, booklets for video games. Here the old car that we used to have, MPV Nissan Almera Tino. VGA cable, a computer case. It is older because it has the power supply at the top. You see the I/O panel, USB and the front audio. It is a GMC R2 toaster from 2008, compatible with full-size ATX power supply and full-size ATX motherboard, but also micro ATX if you change the mount. And now I will do a quick complete review of this computer case. This is the GMC R2 toaster computer case. On the side panel it has two holes, the bottom one for the graphics card hot air, the top one for the processor hot air. Here is the front. There are LEDs around here near the vertical loading CD DVD optical drive, the power button. We have the USB 2 ports, microphone, headphones and reset. Outside we have a tiny hole and we cannot remove this side panel. The interior of the case has by default one 8mm back fan. Then it has some MOLED cable that are used to connect the I/O panel in the front. This is the hard disk cage, 3.5 inches hard disk, or if you use an adapter also 2.5 SSD. Here we have a random SATA cable. We have the power connector button with power color and the power button pins. We have both HD audio and AC97 support for the microphone and headphones jack. And here we see the mount for a full-size ATX motherboard. From here, the maximum graphics card length is around 260 to 70 millimeters.